Hi guys, I hope you're all having a great Monday. Today it's kind of cool and overcast here, and I had a few errands today, so I just fixed a quick dinner, but it's a full meal for the boys and they're anxious to dig in, so I'm going to go ahead and show you what I fixed to eat for today. So I made lasagna, and I used those oven ready lasagna noodles. I love them. Ever since they've come out with those, I never cook them in the pot anymore. They are great. You just got to cover your pan over with aluminum foil, that way they get tender in the oven. I love to use these little aluminum pans for anything that's got like a tomato based sauce. That way I can just throw it away because I hate washing spaghetti dishes. Does that make sense? And over here I just have some green beans that I cooked up real quick. I just add a little salt, a little pepper. Sometimes I'll add a little bit of minced onion to these, but this time I didn't. And then I just have some of the garlic flavored Texas toast here. And I also made some mashed potatoes. I know the lighting ain't great. These are just plain mashed potatoes. I love making them in my 3-quart Instapot. They're so simple. And the great thing about the 3-quart is I can stick my hand mixer right down in there, and it works great. It reaches to the bottom and everything. I don't have to dirty up another bowl. And my boys, they like to take this mix by McCormick. It's called Slow Cookers Loaded Potato Soup. They like to mix that in their mashed potatoes, and it sort of gives it the flavor of a loaded baked potato. So that's what we're having today at my household. I hope you're all having a great day. Thanks for watching, and until next time, guys, bye.